everyone! Welcome back to the channel where I make all the techie stuff a whole lot easier. Today, I'm walking you through how to set up your Facebook pixel on Kajabi so you can track your data like a pro. Let's jump right in. Oh, and before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. And hey, if this video helps, please consider supporting the channel by using my affiliate link for Kajabi. It means the world to me, and I'd never recommend something I don't 100% believe in. First, what you're going to do is log into your Kajabi account. Once you're in, click on Settings over here on the left-hand side. Next, click on Third-Party Integrations. Scroll down until you see Facebook Pixel, and then go ahead and toggle it on. You'll notice it asks for two things: your Pixel ID and your access token. You can also enable consent mode if you're using a cookie consent script, but we'll leave that for another time. Now, let's grab those details from your Facebook Business Manager. Head over to business.facebook.com. You'll land on a page that looks similar to this. Click on this little menu icon up here and select Events Manager under the Advertise section. This will open up a new tab that looks like this. Over here on the left, you'll want to select your data sources and then click on Settings. If you've got multiple pixels, make sure you select the one you want from the list on the left. Once you're in the Settings tab, scroll down until you see your dataset ID. Click on it to copy it to your clipboard. This is your Pixel ID, so head back to Kajabi and paste it into the Pixel ID field. Now for the access token. Scroll down to the Conversions API section, click Set up a direct integration, and then hit Generate Access Token. Copy that token and paste it into the Access Token field back in Kajabi. Once you've filled in both the Pixel ID and the Access Token, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the page. That's it! Your Facebook Pixel is now connected to Kajabi and ready to track all the important data for your business. Congratulations! You've just set up your Facebook Pixel on Kajabi like a boss. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And don't forget, if you're ready to dive into Kajabi, please use my affiliate link below. It's a small way to support my channel, and I truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy tracking!